Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 30, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download iOS Launcher. From this developer, launcher iOS 16. When your launcher is ready, open it. And in order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then close launcher app and go into devices settings right away. In settings, you can finally scroll down and access apps. Then click on default apps, tap on home app, and click on iOS launcher in order to apply it. Then hit got it. And as you can see, after all that, app layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between those layouts, just go into exactly the same settings and tap on Moto Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!